Per Inside EVs, Porsche is recalling all Taycan electric vehicles globally. The recall addresses a front brake hose issue that can lead to reduced braking power. Over 150,000 Taycans sold since 2020 are affected. In the US, nearly 32,000 cars from model years 2020 to 2025 are included. The problem was first noted in a May service bulletin. Porsche decided to issue a recall as a precaution. Less than 1% of Taycans globally have the faulty hose, while in the US, it's around 5%. The fix involves replacing the front brake hoses, redesigned with an increased bending radius. The recall covers cars built between October 21, 2019 and June 13, 2024. Redesigned hoses were integrated starting May 13, 2024. The repair is free, takes about 2 hours, and doesn't affect the warranty. An incident outside the U.S. linked to the issue involved a car speeding at 74 miles per hour in an 18 miles per hour zone. No injuries were reported. Kevin Giek, Taycan project manager, said internal tests showed the issue only in special cases. Porsche prioritizes safety and optimizes the brake hoses accordingly. You are listening to UON News.